Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk through the complete process of replacing the keyboard shell on the MSI MS16P6 laptop. Before we begin, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth for internal cleaning. First, power off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. To ensure your safety, it's advisable to remove the battery if your model allows it. Now, let's start by removing the screws from the bottom panel. There are usually about 6 to 8 screws, depending on your specific model. Keep these screws organized, as we will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips while doing this. If you encounter any resistance, check for any remaining screws that may still be holding the panel in place. After removing the bottom panel, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to clean out any dust or debris with the microfiber cloth. This not only helps with the longevity of your device but also gives you a clearer view of the keyboard assembly. Next, locate the keyboard assembly. You'll see more screws holding it in place. These screws are typically smaller and may require a different size of the Phillips screwdriver. Carefully remove these screws, and keep them with the others you collected earlier. Once the screws are out, gently lift the keyboard from the chassis. You will need to detach the ribbon cable that connects the keyboard to the motherboard. Use the plastic spudger to carefully lift the locking tab on the connector and slide the cable out. If you're unsure about this step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure everything is handled correctly. Now, you can install the new keyboard shell. Align it properly and reconnect the ribbon cable by sliding it back into the connector and pressing down the locking tab. Take your time with this step to avoid any damage. After reconnecting the keyboard, secure it with the screws you had previously removed. Make sure it fits snugly in place. Next, replace the bottom panel by aligning it with the clips and gently pressing down until you hear them click. Reinsert the screws in the bottom panel to ensure everything is properly secured. If you don't have the tools needed for this project, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about running around for supplies. Finally, put the battery back in if you removed it, and power on your laptop to test the new keyboard shell. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your MSI MS16P6 keyboard shell. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you understand the costs involved before any work is done. We also offer a no calls, no travel service, making it convenient to get professional help without leaving your home. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.